Some of the facts you're about to hear sound unbelievable at first, but they are real, carefully verified, and far more fascinating than fiction.
Look around you right now. What do you see? Your room, your phone, maybe the sky outside a window. It feels like you're seeing everything, right? But what if I told you that everything you've ever seen is just a tiny, tiny sliver of what's actually out there? Our eyes are amazing, but they can only detect a very narrow slice of light called the visible spectrum. All around you, at this very moment, your space is flooded with other kinds of light. Radio waves are carrying signals, infrared is radiating as heat, and ultraviolet light is streaming from the sun. Even more powerful energies like X-rays and gamma rays are zipping through the cosmos. All of this is completely invisible to you. The universe is literally buzzing with information that our senses will never ever pick up. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? We're swimming in an ocean of reality, but we can only perceive a single drop. Thanks for watching. Did you know your brain is an energy hog? It's true. Picture this. Your brain makes up only about 2% of your total body weight. That's pretty small, right? But here's the wild part. It consumes a whopping 20% of your body's total energy. That's 10 times more than you'd expect based on its size alone. So, where does all that energy go? Even when you're just kicking back, relaxing, and not doing much, your brain is working overtime. It's constantly burning fuel to manage your thoughts, store memories, and even maintain your very sense of who you are. Every single thought, every memory recalled, every decision made at all costs energy. Basically, thinking is metabolically expensive. So next time you feel tired after a long day of work or studying, remember it's not just in your head, your brain really did get a workout. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more cool facts. Did you know an octopus doesn't just touch with its arms? They can actually taste with them too. Imagine shaking someone's hand and knowing exactly what they had for lunch. That's kind of what it's like for an octopus. Each of their 8 arms is covered in suckers, and these suckers are packed with thousands of special chemical receptors. This means every time an octopus reaches out to explore a rock or a potential snack, it's simultaneously touching and tasting it. It's like having tongues all over your arms. What's even more mind-blowing is that their arms can make simple decisions on their own, without waiting for instructions from the central brain. It's like a form of distributed intelligence, spread all across its body. The octopus is truly one of the most fascinating and intelligent creatures in the ocean. Thanks for watching. If you found this as cool as I did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. Did you know your body is basically a walking, talking power plant? It's true. Every single heartbeat, every time you flex a muscle, even every thought you have is all powered by electricity. Your nervous system is like a super complex electrical grid, sending tiny electrical signals all over your body non-stop, 24/7. It's what tells your legs to walk and your hands to move. Doctors can even measure these signals from outside your skin using machines like an ECG for your heart or an EEG for your brain. So, when you really think about it, you are, quite literally, an electrical being. How cool is that? Your body is generating its own power right now to let you watch this video. If you found that fascinating, smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Thanks for watching. Ever thought your memory was like a perfect video recording? Think again. It turns out our memories aren't frozen in time. Every single time you recall a past event, your brain doesn't just play it back, it actually rewrites it a little. Imagine your memory as a Wikipedia page that you're constantly editing. Each time you access it, you might unknowingly add a new detail, remove an old one, or slightly change the story. This happens so subtly, you won't even notice. It's why you can feel so confident about a memory, even if it's not entirely accurate. So, memory isn't a recording, it's a reconstruction. It's a living, breathing part of you that's always evolving. Isn't the human brain just incredible? Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Have you ever noticed how a fun vacation feels like it's over in a flash, but a boring meeting drags on forever? That's not just in your head. Your brain actually has its own way of telling time, and it's completely different from the clock on your wall. See, your brain doesn't really count seconds. It measures time based on how much new information it's processing and where you're re-putting your attention. When you're busy and engaged, your brain is creating lots of new memories. Time feels full and rich, but when you're bored, your brain isn't forming many new memories, so it feels like time just vanishes or slows to a crawl. It's a fascinating idea, right? Time isn't just something that happens to us, it's something we experience inside our own minds. If you enjoyed this little mind bender, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Did you know that forests are not as silent as they seem? Beneath the ground, there's a bustling network, a hidden world of communication. Trees are actually connected to each other through their roots, using vast, intricate webs of fungi. Think of it like a biological internet. Scientists have a cool name for it, the Wood Wide Web. Through these fungal threads, trees can do amazing things. They share vital nutrients, like carbon and water, with their neighbors. A mother tree can even send extra resources to its saplings to help them grow strong. But it gets even more fascinating if a tree is attacked by insects. It can send out a warning signal through the network, alerting other trees to raise their defenses. So next time you're walking through a forest, remember that there's a secret, super social network right under your feet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts. Hey, did you know your eyes are lying to you right now? It's true. In each of your eyes, there's a tiny spot where you are completely blind. It's called the optic disc, and it's where the optic nerve connects to the back of your eye, the retina. This connection point has no light-detecting cells, so it literally can't see anything. But wait, why don't you see a black hole in your vision? Well, that's where your amazing brain comes in. It cleverly takes information from the surrounding area and just fills in the blank. It's like a real-time Photoshop master. You've had this blind spot your entire life and probably never even noticed it. Your brain is constantly working behind the scenes to create a seamless, perfect picture of the world for you. Isn't that incredible? If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Did you know you share about 60% of your DNA with a banana? I know, it sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Humans actually share genetic similarities with almost all living things on Earth, from chimpanzees to fruit flies, and yes, even bananas. Now, before you start thinking your great-great-great-great-great-parental was a piece of fruit, let me explain. This doesn't mean we're closely related. Instead, it shows that all life, from us to that banana on your counter, uses a very similar basic toolkit to survive and function. Think of it like building with Legos. You can build a car or a castle using the same set of bricks. Life works the same way. We have different forms and functions, but we're all built from a surprisingly similar set of genetic instructions. It's a cool reminder of how connected everything is. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Bananisen berdokanu hisatmik ikin ildefizixel. Tamasa idiak oldukanu mu desunior dunas. Giles kokyanil iosinas geslarinis kapitine ve barisinin. Ilanais ber tuserdakunu hail eden itgit klonma. Hisini kimduden drgb oldenus. Degelmi et bu bananisen size oyendik kukok ber. Yapelan bazi iljink den ilad. Insinla bukutlarinen ber parkasa olmayan sot. Ber lgb nesnalert bile de kunma. Hisi yasadik lorinik. Bildemigler. Piki bu nasal ola yorbanimus. Ber dime uratmek ikingiga. Uklenti vhe hata inank gb farkli bilgulari ber ryagateria. Yani eslenda dukanma. Didagumis ki. Sodus sildamized. Olan ber. Ole de gol. Anizamanda. Zenomized inca. Etigimis. Ber. Gurkaklik. Banamisen scrollera. Gurkakton. Teherenlik. Uandarak. Daha fazlasani kesfetmek. Ikin konalimza. Abone omaik. Anotmain. Ber. Sonroki videoda. Grusmek, Ziza, Dukanma, Hissi Ikin, Illa Physixel, Temas Jerikmis, Mideosinus, Eved, Aininjil, Bananis, Sizi Kandarak, Aslenda Hik, Olmayan Dokunuglari, Hisetmanais Sigleabla, Iananilmas, Degelmi, Yapalon Bazi Bilimsul, Denilud, Incinera Vakitlarinin, Burpakasa Olmayan, Misella Plastic Beer, Eldeber Dukanak, Veahata, ACA Hisetaclarini, Raper Idiorlar. Piki bu, Nasalolyre, Banamis, Ber Hissi, Alastermic, Ikin Burden, Fazla Duyuu, Ber Araya, Gerdaclarinis, Beclantalaris, Vihata Inanclarinis, Hepsi bu Oyunda, Rol Oim, Gazlarinis Ber, Dokanak Gugdugandi, Bananis bu, Bilgialip Tamun, Bunu Hissitamilis, Dia V, Sizen Ikino, Hissi Eurasia, Yani Aslenda Gurkaklik Didigamis, Ki Banamisin, Bisanlatic Ber, Hikadan Iberet, Olabella bu Konu Hakandaki Dusansalarinis, Euromalada Pelasmai Anatmain, the Hafazlas. In Canal, Ma Abone Olmai, Unutmai, Engrusmek Zeza.
The world is far more fascinating than it appears on the surface, and this was just a small glimpse. Mind Blown Daily.